Mathematics education in Latin America and the Caribbean. Brazil. Mathematical Fair. Mathematical Fair has been one of the most prominent in the area of mathematics education in Brazil. During the past 3 decades have contributed to encourage teachers throughout the country to have the impetus to carry out projects, and it is a way for those who seek to participate and or have interest in knowing, saying and understanding. Mathematical Fair in 1984. It was looking for reality of socialization when it was come to express knowledge and proposals of students in public places and to show to the community results of learning. Floriani and Sermiani, teachers, devised the Mathematical Fair as a derivation of the Science Fair, which is a sample of research projects developed by students, whose results are presented during 2 days in the exhibition of the Mathematical Fair. Main objective of the fair is students can develop their own potential and skills in order that they can continuously improve their knowledge and ensure their personal independence during their life. The scientific importance of mathematical fair occurs when students want to become being a researcher as benefit to society with help of the teacher, family, educative community, and institutions of government following all the correct process. Choosing a topic, searching relative data, studying mathematical topics, searching to understand and formulate data, analyzing validity results, are expressed by writing and oral way during the exposition of the fair. When it is done, the leaders are committed to grant support to teachers, seek the adhesion of family members. As part of the current program of the Mathematical Fair, courses, seminars at national level and didactic and scientific tests that have generated a change in the conception of teaching, mathematics and science. An impulse of the participants, teachers, students, to know and motivate others to learn. Mathematical Fair led to teachers develop their pedagogic practices, proposing working topics that can encourage the students to have interest and compromise. It has managed to establish new objectives, to generate knowledge without limiting the context of the subject, and, in particular, has contributed to academic training of large number of students who attended to study science in the trade shows. Bienvenut and Sermiani, 2014.
Mathematics education in Argentina. Although Argentina is in the middle of the list of the countries with a mathematics good level, not so high but not too low, and the participation as exhibitors and collaborators in international congresses is really low. Argentina has made a lot of efforts to promote mathematics in the country and has made events in order to promote and improve the mathematics education in the country. Argentina has also participated and realized national events as well as international ones, and it worries that these events get the whole Argentinian territory and that teachers from all over Argentina participate in such events. Some of the events that Argentina makes or participates in are: first one, International Problem Solving Conference and Seminar. These seminars are to work in depth and produce complementary material integrated into the normal math courses of any level and from which both students and teachers can gain an important intellectual benefit. In these seminars there are a variety of problems proposed with the aim to trigger ideas and methods that show the great wealth of representable content intuitively and graphically, very important when looking for a format argument for validation. The Argentinian Mathematical Union UMA is an association that nucleates Argentinian mathematicians, and its purpose is to promote the progress of mathematical research in Argentina through scientific meetings, competitions, etc., and coordinates the work of the various research groups in Argentina. The UMA is an association affiliated with the International Mathematical Union (IMO). La Olimpiada Matemática Argentina (OMA) is a competition between regular students of secondary schools throughout the country, divided into three levels according to age, and is held at the Argentinian Mathematical Olympiad Foundation (FOMA) in Buenos Aires. This Olympiad seeks to stimulate among the youth the mathematical activity and to develop the capacity to solve problems. The general principles of the Olimpiada Matematica are the following: freedom of participation. This activity is completely voluntary. Educational and cultural intentionality. The proposal is to support mathematics in education, to train students who demonstrate relevant skills, and to promote the exchange of experience between teachers and researchers, and equal opportunities and social integration. It is a contribution to the training of human resources as a response to the current world's choice for technological development. There are another important events, and some examples are la Conferencia Argentina de Educación Matemática. La Comunidad de Educadores Matemáticos Argentina tiene una participación importante en algunos eventos realizados a nivel regional: Congreso Iberoamericano de Educación Matemática, Reunión Latinoamericana de Matemática Educativa organizada por el Comité Latinoamericano de Matemática Educativa, el Encuentro Nacional sobre Enseñanza de Matemática en Carreras de Ingeniería y las Jornadas Nacionales de Docentes de Matemática de Facultades de Ciencias Económicas y afines.
Okay, Cuba is a great nation in where the government is, or they had worried about the high levels in education, about the mathematic practices. In the first place, we can find teachers. The teachers are trained at university level. In the or secondly, the basic training for teacher is satisfactory in mathematics and offers specific practices for mathematics teaching. In the third place, we can find that the Iceland has solid mathematical curricula for mathematics. And we can find also that the correct public policies for science and technology is very determined. And the number 5 practice is that according to the Cuba's strategic plan, exact sciences are essential not only for technological progress, but also to strengthen education at all levels and for capacity building among the new generation of Cuban scientists. Thank you.